off of the angle to neck that steel down to form the stem. Right, come up on the edge. We're going to go from a square to an octagon and then slow roll it around to form that stem. And before it gets too cold, just want to knock some of that square edge off the back. So in one heat, there's a stem, a mass of steel, and a point. It's a leaf bud. And from that bud, I'm going to grow that leaf out. However, from this point forward, every time it goes back in the fire, it's at risk. Stem, stem, point, stem. Then still heats fast. And here's what I'm talking about. It's just that quick. It's already getting bright. So I'm going to kind of dance with it across the heat. I'm going to keep an eye on the point and the stem while I'm waiting for the thicker part to get the right temperature or color without melting the thin stuff. Oh, about like that. Right, so I don't want to mess up the point. Stay back near the back edge. We use the cross peen on this hammer. And I'm driving from the middle out. Flip it over.